Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you a quick bonus tip here on story pole measurement units. First of all, when you've created the story pole, double click on this line out here that says like highest ridge, top of plate, etc. And you want to be sure that we are understanding what dimension default is currently being used for that story pole. In my case, it's 1/4 inch scale dimension defaults. Then you want to click on marker format, and there's the units. You can do inches, feet, inches. You can also do decimal places or fractions there. So that's how you would change that specific line by double clicking on it. Now, if I select dimensions, let's delete this and do story poles again, we're back to the decimal feet. So if you want to change that, double click on the dimension tool. And now we've got 1/4 inch scale dimension defaults. You'll notice that's what's selected right up here, 1/4 inch scale dimension defaults. Where do we go? Not there. Let's go to edit. Edit, not preferences. Edit. There we go. Edit default settings. That's what you want. Edit default settings. And let's go to dimensions, auto story pole dimensions. There we go, marker format. That's what we want. Marker format, change that to feet, inches, smallest fraction, not instead of decimal places. Click done. Let's go here. Now you'll have to redo story pole dimensions, and then it pops up and shows that feet, inches with fractions. Hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. If you found the education valuable, would you consider small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Thanks. Take care.